G'day. So to make your papaya picker, what you want is an old soft drink bottle. I've got a 2 litre bottle here. A knife, because we're going to cut that bottle down. I've got a couple of cable ties. I just like to add a bit of extra security when I put it onto the pole. Of course, I've got my pole here. And I also use a bit of duct tape. So you can use gaffer tape, duct tape, whatever you want, just at the end, again, to add that little bit more security. What you want to do, take your bottle, take your knife, and cut off about the bottom third of your bottle. There we go. Now we push that onto the pole. This pole's really good. It's a good size because it actually fits in there really tight. But again, for a bit of extra security, I'll add my 2 cable ties. And I'll pull them really, really tight in. That's really good, that one. Just trim that one up. And again, just to help everything stay in place, I'll run some gaffer tape just over the join between the soft drink bottle and the pipe. Once more around. Yep, that looks pretty good to me. And there we have it, our homemade papaya picker. Now, best of all, let's go give it a try. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Just for 5 minutes put together, and look at that.